Welcome to Loomly. In this video, you will learn how to use Instagram to promote your business. Right now, Instagram is the go-to platform that appeals to almost everyone. It's one of the largest social networks in the world. It's growing all the time with more users and shiny new features. Its visual-first platform suits shorter attention spans. It's a fact not lost on brands and marketing departments as they strive to reach their audience in a new and engaging way. In this video, we are offering you an overview of Instagram marketing best practices. Let's dive in. How is Instagram used for marketing? People come to Instagram to be inspired and discover things they care about, which includes content from brands and businesses. 83% of users say they discover new products and services on Instagram. Over hundreds of million Instagrammers view at least one business profile daily. 1/3 of the most viewed stories are from businesses. There's a diverse mix of B2C and B2B brands, influencers, celebrities, creators, and artists who use Instagram for their business. Before you start creating a profile and posting content, it's essential to know how Instagram fits into your business strategy and what goals you have. You need alignment from business goals to marketing goals to Instagram goals. There are other Instagram goals you may want to consider, such as building brand awareness and reaching more of your ideal customers, showcasing your products and services, growing an engaged community, increasing brand loyalty. You can always circle back to these goals when you analyze your performance. How to attract followers on Instagram. Your profile creates a first impression with users, so you have to make it count. One way to achieve that is to brand your Instagram profile the same as your other social media profiles so that your users instantly recognize you. You don't get much space to tell users what your account is about, so you have to maximize your description. There are 4 main factors to building a solid profile on Instagram: your bio, profile image, website link, and story highlights. Once you have a well-optimized Instagram page, you can post engaging content to market to potential customers and partners. Instagram is a visual platform, so it's vital that you post high-quality images, photos, and videos. Low-quality content creates a poor impression, and users will likely scroll by looking for something more appealing. Successful brands have one thing in common: consistency. They have a cohesive look and feel to their account so that it's instantly recognizable by the color scheme, the type of photo or video shared, the tone of voice used in captions and on images, the hashtags used, and the way they interact with users. We built Loomly to give you an easy-to-use dashboard that lets you collaborate with your team around Instagram posts, access the data you need, and understand the real-time impact of your posts. In Loomly, you are able to preview your Instagram grid to visualize your post with the most recent content. Let's see how Loomly helps you with Instagram publishing. First, you'll need to decide how frequently you're going to publish content. Some brands share multiple updates per day, while others publish a couple of posts every week. Instagram recommends posting every business day on the platform. As a minimum, aim to post 3 times a week, but no more than once a day to prevent engagement from dropping. At Loomly, we highly recommend keeping an eye out for how many high-quality posts you're able to commit to posting regularly. Once you have identified your ideal posting cadence, you can take advantage of Loomly's scheduling slots feature to set your preferred publishing schedule and save time when creating new posts in Post Builder. Once you have defined your publishing frequency, it's time to do some editorial planning. First things first, let's start with what you know best: your organization. Simply list events that matter to your organization and your community, such as special industry conferences, organization milestones like anniversary, achievements, and awards, and major holidays and celebrations. This is where the Loomly magic happens, as we suggest different types of post ideas to you, including trending topics from Twitter in your location, RSS items from your own custom selection of content feeds, recurring broad ideas based on best practices and internet codes, events, holidays, and celebrations happening on specific dates. You can view every social media holiday for a given month at a glance on Loomly. Hence, you can save time looking for ideas, and most importantly, make sure you are not missing out on any major holidays. Once you have filled up on your editorial calendar with post ideas, you can start creating your content. You can schedule your content using Loomly's new Instagram Direct Publishing feature. Instagram Direct Publishing allows you to create, preview, approve, schedule, and publish single photo and single video posts from Loomly to Instagram. To increase your post engagement, you can use up to 30 hashtags in an Instagram post, but using too many hashtags looks spammy and can turn visitors away. The optimal number is between 5 and 10. You can use hashtags in or after your caption, or you can add them in the comments section. The key is to be consistent and stick with one place for your cohesive look and feel. Hashtag suggestions is available both in the generic and fine-tuning panels of Post Builder from the hashtag icon below the copy field. When you click on the hashtag icon, you can also access and manage your hashtag collections, which saves you time when you frequently use the same hashtags in your posts, as you don't need to regularly type them every single time. Once you have published content for audience, it's time to interact with them. Develop an ongoing conversation with your audience. Social media communication is a two-way street. It is as much fun, if not more, about listening and responding as it is about speaking in the first place. 84% of consumers expect a response on social media within 24 hours, and 48% of users are prompted to purchase a product when a brand is responsive. Needless to say, it's crucial to remain engaged and communicative with your audience. Using Loomly's Interactions feature will help you stay up to date with your direct messages, comments, tags on Instagram. Once you have a conversation going on with your audience, your final and most important goal is to measure and improve engagement success. Measure and improve engagement success. As you refine how well you understand your audience, you can fuel each new content production cycle with actionable insights. Tracking performance metrics helps you identify what went well or not so well with every post and incorporate that knowledge into new posts moving forward. As a starting point, you will want to monitor the following key performance indicators. Impressions and reach, which are solid indicators of brand visibility, showing you respectively how many times and by how many people a post has been seen. Likes, reactions, comments, clicks, and shares, which are absolute measures of engagement, telling you how and how many times users have interacted with a piece of content. Engagement rate, which is the king of metrics, defined as the ratio of engagements, reach, or in specific cases, as engagements impressions, providing you with a strong foundation to normalize and compare post performances accurately. Loomly Advanced Analytics will be your best ally in this quest, empowering you to get a report of loom.ly URL click counts, sources, and locations. Dive into account-level statistics. Get into details with post metrics, which includes all of the analytics you need to evaluate your posts. Filter and compare performance by date ranges to evaluate growth and get a better understanding of your success. Last but not least, export all your analytics as PDF or CSV and share them offline with your team. Bottom line, keep tabs of what your audience literally likes and leverage those takeaways when creating new posts. Wrapping up, here's a quick recap of the key points from this Instagram marketing course. Make sure you brand your Instagram profile and maximize the limited space. Optimize your content with the latest features to boost engagement. Publish content consistently to build your presence on the platform. Build an active community to help amplify and promote your content. Analyze your Instagram marketing performance to see where you can improve. It's important to remember that by optimizing your Instagram page, publishing high-quality posts frequently, defining publishing your audience, developing an ongoing conversation, and measuring your success, you can remain in touch with your followers and increase engagement, which in turn will bring you closer to achieving your business goals. And that's it. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact our team, either through our chat or over email at contact@loomly.com. Thanks for watching this video.